aftermath of Israel's strike on Iran, a massive joint military offensive by Israel and the United States against Iranian military, nuclear, and air defense targets. Iran's missile defense systems were reportedly unable to detect or stop some of the incoming Israeli weapons, allowing several to penetrate deep into Iranian territory and hit key infrastructure and military sites. Iran responded with a retaliatory barrage of ballistic missiles and drones aimed at Israel and U.S. military bases across the region, including in the Gulf states. Iranian officials described these strikes as acts of self-defense and deterrence against further aggression.
Major Israeli airstrike.
A suspected Israeli strike.
Suspected Israeli airstrike.
Israel has reportedly struck targets in Iran.
During the Iranian retaliation, some missiles and drones evaded portions of Israel's advanced air defense network, including Iron Dome and other radar systems, and reached Israeli territory, where they caused explosions, triggered air raid sirens, and brought civilian and military defenses into action. The conflict has resulted in significant regional tension and instability, with explosions heard across multiple countries in the Middle East, including Israel, Iraq, Syria, Bahrain, Kuwait, and the UAE. Global leaders and international organizations, such as the UN Security Council, have urgently called for restraint and diplomatic engagement to prevent a wider war. Iran's leadership condemned the Israeli-U.S. strike as a violation of international law and vowed sustained retaliation, while Israeli leaders have argued the operation was necessary to neutralize imminent threats from Iran's nuclear and missile programs. The situation remains highly volatile, with ongoing military readiness, airspace closures, and the potential for further retaliation from both sides, raising fears of a broader regional conflict that could involve additional states in the Middle East.